You got a Honda that somebody's installed these really crappy aftermarket lights in that require this extra wiring harness and pigtail. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of all this crap and put it back to the factory way it used to be. First off, you need to remove the 4 nuts that hold the tail light in. And those are 8mm. Get those removed and we'll show you what's next. Alright guys, once you got those screws removed, simply reach in, press the tail light out, and there's a wasp nest. That's always good. By the way, for those of you who don't know, out there in YouTube land, I'm allergic to bees and wasps. So yeah, give me 1 second, we gotta get rid of that puppy. Alright guys, we're back. Alright, now once you got the tail light out, you're gonna simply undo all your wires off this tail light. That one. See, that's the bad part. These aftermarket ones, they don't fit in there right. I'm gonna get that one undone and be right back. Alright guys, get it out. Take this junky old aftermarket tail light. Take it out. Things are junk. And then you gotta unplug this harness right here. And when you put your new one back in, see, that's the other thing. This tail light, it was holding moisture because there's one gasket that seals the tail light, and there's another one on the tail light. So they held in moisture, and that's why the car rusted out right there, because it held moisture right there. Alright, then you get your new one. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see here, we got a nice refurbished factory tail light. Gonna look a heck of a lot better in this thing. So now we gotta do is put our bulbs in our electronic switchboard, which is this right here. It mounts there. When we get all this remounted, we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, get your tail light set up in place, and then you go back inside the vehicle and you put them 3 nuts back on. I'm sorry, 4. Then we'll plug in the wiring. And there you go guys. That's how you switch out these junky aftermarket crap and put back in your OEM original manufactured tail lights. If y'all found, look at that, rubber molding just fell off this thing because they junk. See, that's why it's all corroded and everything else. Alright guys, if y'all found this video useful or helpful, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day.